Okay, njengoba usazi scale ke manje la ka right, you are wondering ukuthi ka left kwenzeka kanjani. Okay. I'm gonna teach that in the next tutorial, in the next chapter, in the next episode. I can say that in the next episode. Okay, welcome guys. This is the next episode. Your funda Itende, learning Itende from scratch. Okay, on the last one we learned about our keys 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9. Assuming you already know that right now, you need to teach yourself, know it as you know yourself. You see. Okay, now we are coming to the left hand. Okay, which one do you press when? Okay, the partner for this one, for number 1, it's this. Partner for number 2, it's this. Partner for number 3, it's this. And an easier way to know this, number 1, i-bass yakhona mele lifane nale button ulichaphazela on your kwelesithathu ilokho nje key 1 2 3, mele lifane nale button, of which is le button u-C sharp, nangu C sharp, nangu C sharp, nangu C sharp. Kukwenza ufuna ukuchaphaza ngomuthi angachaphazela lo muthi angachaphazela lo muthi angachaphazela. When you like, press this one or press this one or press this one. Okay, and number 2 and number 3, chord number 2 and chord number 3, or bass bakhona, their basses are on this on the thumb. They must be the same as the one you are pressing with your thumb. See, null, F sharp. See, but you cannot press bass on this side. It must always be on the left side. You see. Going forward, kwelesithathu nakhona, it's still on the thumb. It must be the same with the thumb. It must be same with this one, which is A flat or G sharp. Okay, press either of these. Okay, number 4, and from 4 up to 9, on any key, mawuthiwa wazi omunye key ongawazi C sharp, like mufuna ukufunda ubass, on any key osowazi ama notes Itende. Number 4, from number 4 up to number 9, ubass wakho kumele ufane nalelo lichaphaze phakathi nendawo. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you get me? Siqale phansi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You can play a song with these keys, with this scale nalo bhasi. Simple song ehamba kuwonke ama chords, uhamba kuwonke ama notes kalokho nje C sharp. That's it, guys. I don't want to teach go A now A flat bafethu. If you are, or if you know, if you are like learning through A flat, you learn kwamanye amavideo ngikufundisa kuwona. This one, like, it's based on C sharp, guys. This one is based on C sharp. See, but it's not late. You can move on to C sharp straight. I'm teaching with C sharp because I know it's the best. I've played with A, I've played with F sharp, A flat, A sharp. C sharp is the best for me. You see, it's way easier. Yeah, simple as that. That's it. Okay, I hope you learned. Yeah, keep learning, keep practicing. Keyboard is not easy, like, without practice. You need to practice. This is a musical instrument that you need to practice. You see, it's not just gonna be a walk in the park. You see, you need to learn, practice every day until izandla zakho ijwayele, your muscles, your mind connects with your muscles, with your fingers. You see, know which is which, know what is what. Even your ears, teach your ears to know this is this is that. You see, this chord is this chord is that. You see, that's it, bafethu. Catch you on the next tutorial. Lapho ngizonifundisa khona about small C, what I'm gonna teach about. But for now, learn my notes, no pass bakhona, ufunde ukwazi njengokuzazi. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next episode of Learning Itende from Scratch. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.